Hello to everyone. Here is another opportunity from Google Software Engineer University Graduate 2025. So those who are pursuing final year, they can apply for it. So the job locations: Bangalore, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Bombay, and Pune. So the minimum qualifications are bachelor's degree. So knowledge is C, C++, Java. So bachelor's or advanced degree in computer science also can apply for this position. So responsibilities are research, conceive and develop software applications to extend and improve Google's product offering. So if you are interested, you can apply for it. Link is provided in the description box, and also share to your friends, those who are in need, and like the video without fail. And similar kind of jobs posted in the channel. That link is given in the description box. You can go through that link also for many jobs.